Hello, today we're building a powerful product recommendation chatbot. This bot will seamlessly fetch product details directly from a Google Sheet and provide personalized recommendations. You can also allow users to inquire about any product, which will trigger an automated email to the store owner. Let's dive in. Under it first, we need to define the chatbot's core purpose or role. I'll add the name I prepared earlier, which corresponds to the MCP. This is where the product name will be pulled from. I'll also add fields for features and the buy link. I've defined all the necessary components. Let's enter this. Now the bot is suggesting I connect my Google Sheet. I'll click the Google Sheet icon, hit the green button, and integrate my sheet. The Google Sheet is now connected. Let's run a quick test. It's currently suggesting individual products instead of the main subcategories. That's not what we want, but we can fix that. Let me check the chatbot's output. It's showing the category. I explicitly asked it to show subcategories, but it's defaulting to the main category. The issue is twofold: a wrong name in one field and a misplaced category definition in the second line. I'll correct these two mistakes now. I also see the images aren't loading, so I need to update the carousel prompt. I'll include the rental price detail here too. These few fixes are complete. The prompt is updated. Let's test it again. Perfect. It's now showing the correct subcategories. I'll quickly finalize the carousel prompt. As you can see, travel scooter, full-size scooter. These are the correct options. Let me select one. Excellent. It now displays the rental price, MSR, and the images are loading correctly. Let's enhance this further. If a user asks for more details, even though I didn't explicitly define this flow, the chatbot is smart enough to pull all the necessary product information. Let me also quickly confirm the buy link. I used a dummy URL for now. Everything looks perfect. Now for the inquiry workflow. If a user expresses interest in buying, I want the bot to ask for their email or mobile number and then automatically send an inquiry email to the store owner. Let's build this flow now. I'll input the user trigger like interested to buy this or similar phrases. Next, I need to configure the email destination and content. I'll define the content of the email, ensuring it includes the user's name and details. The inquiry details are updated. Let's start a new conversation to test the end-to-end flow. I have the email. It correctly shows the product name and the conversation details. This is how you create the core recommendation flow. Now, let's make the process even more dynamic and user-friendly. I'm going to create a dynamic button that displays the product name. When clicked, this button will immediately trigger the inquiry flow. This means the user simply clicks the product button, which automatically prompts them for their name and contact before sending the email. The updated prompt is ready. Let's refresh and start the conversation one last time. I'll select the travel scooter. Notice this smart behavior. I accidentally entered an email, but the bot recognized it wasn't a valid phone number and correctly asked for the phone number again. I'll check my email one last time, and here it is, the final updated inquiry email. This shows how you can easily create a robust dynamic product recommendation chatbot that can be integrated into platforms like Messenger or WhatsApp. See you in the next video. That's it. Thanks for watching.